Yeah, get it. Do it in style. Action! Action!
Am I getting this right? Enter zip code 3361. Car wash? No, I don't want to. Car wash.
She's sexy.
You see that clock? It's fucking stupid.
Look at that giant clock.
Oh.
Authorizing. Please see attendant? Why? Why must I please see attendant? Oh, no, let me try that again. No. Great, we have to go inside now. Are you gonna come with me?
Killing it? Wait, my purse is in there.
Great.
Well, hold on.